Hey guys, in this video you will see how to remove Mercedes Benz mono wiper and clean up the half moon gear. Once you are ready to disassemble it, draw a line with the marker to see how to put it back together after done cleaning it. Sometimes it is stuck on the pinion, so you will need a puller or a hammer to get it off. And make sure you remember the order of the parts. As you see, it's very nasty and needs to be cleaned and re-greased. Make sure you place everything back in the same order you disassembled it, and line up the marks you left before. When putting all back together, first test if the wiper is functioning right, and if it is not, take it back off and make sure the line you draw matches. This wiper looked like it was disassembled before. If your wiper was not disassembled before, it should work just fine after you put it back together and line matches. So we tested it and it was off the frame. It should be right where the black part ends. That's where the testing and playing with timing comes in. We removed it a couple of times until we got it right. I'm sure there is original markings where it should be in the rest position, but we wasn't aware of them when we took it apart. Once you got it right, you can put it all back together. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.